In this video, I'm going to show you how to check battery health on your Ford F-150 Lightning. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to access or assess the battery health of your Ford F-150 Lightning, you can utilize third-party diagnostic tools, as Ford does not currently provide a direct method through the infotainment system or FordPass app. So other cars, you can check the battery health through the infotainment system, but the Ford Lightning doesn't. So what we need to do is acquire an OB2 scanner, and we use this in conjunction with apps like Car Scanner, Talk Pro, or Ford Scan to access detailed battery information. Now I'm just going to give you a quick rundown how to do this. So what we need to do is acquire an OB2 adapter. So purchase a compatible to Bluetooth OBD2 adapter, such as the OBD Links MX, which supports Ford's protocols. And now we need to install a diagnostic app. So download a compatible app, for example, Car Scanner, on your smartphone. And then we need to connect your vehicle. So plug the OBD2 adapter into the diagnostic port beneath your dashboard and pair it with your app via Bluetooth. Then from here, we need to access battery metrics. So within the app, navigate to the battery parameters to view metrics like state of health. So this indicates the battery's overall condition, state of charge, current battery percentage, and cell voltage balancing ensures uniform voltage across all battery cells. So now let's talk about the FordPass app limitations. So as of time of recording, the FordPass app does not display the traction battery's health. However, Ford plans to introduce a feature that alerts users when the 12-volt battery requires attention. Alright, and here's some extra tips for maintaining battery health. So to prolong your battery lifespan, regular use of DC fast chargers can accelerate battery wear. Maintain moderate charge levels, so keeping the battery between 20 and 80% charge can reduce stress. And also use the preconditioning feature before driving, especially in extreme temperatures. And consistent use helps maintain good battery health as well.